How to fix GCash app account is on hold. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. This is me, Pipan, and today in this video I'll guide you on how you can fix GCash account on hold problem. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. If you're having the issue with GCash account on hold, then here is how you can fix it. I'll be guiding you through the official help page of GCash. Now, what to do if your account is on hold? The first thing is to check if you received an email. You want to double check your GCash registered emails inbox or spam folder if you received an email regarding account deactivation. If you received the email, click here to ask for help to unblock your account. So you want to tap on this link here. Once unblocked, you must fully verify your account. If you don't verify within 48 hours, it'll be blocked again. You can also check for an SMS on routine verification. If you didn't receive an email, check if you have received an SMS from GCash. How your GCash account was put on a hold due to routine verification, following the terms and conditions. To access your account here as well, you can click here to submit. So you want to head into this page help.gcash.com, or you can simply searching for GCash account on hold and you'll get the GCash help center there. As you can see on the screen, you want to simply tap on it there and you want to head into the page right there. So this is how you can fix the GCash account on hold option. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below if you have any further issues.